Hi everyone. Let's take a look at what to expect from pound coming into next week. So at the moment we've had quite a bearish move. Obviously it's just Wednesday, bit of correction, and Thursday, and then Friday was pulling back a bit. So if we look at how price was running at the moment, if I just come back here, so if you see this low here, this is where people that went short was liquidating their positions. So that's why the market's pulling back, right? Whenever the volume leaves the market, you will see a bit of a pullback into a zone. So at the moment I'm looking at this run, and I'm drawing a fib from the high to the low of this, right? This high and this low. So at the moment I'm looking at the pullback into the 50% zone of this, and which coincides with this value area. What you guys might call supply, I call a value area. This is where the volume was built up. It's a volume area because of these auto blocks here. They build up this volume. That's why we had this run, right? So on Friday we had a bit of a pullback because of, like I said, everyone is liquidating the position at that area. So I'm looking for price to reject this area, to this becomes our resistance, and interact with this volume area. So currently price is repricing to a better price, and then we can look for shorts at this area. So this is what I'm looking at the moment. We can reject here, auto blocks, and then this is a value area. This is where the volume came in. And then if we see our characteristics of price turning bearish, and we can take the entry again. So at the moment you can see it's still a bit of a gap between the value area and this high that's been created. So if price trades into this, I'm going to be looking at a short into possibly this low, and then readjust again after we take out this low. So this is something that can happen on a Monday or Tuesday if we turn this into a resistance zone. So let's see what happens, guys. Thank you.